Hi, my name is Frank Papa, and I'm a personal injury attorney with the law offices of Robert M. Geller. Just a moment to talk to you about full coverage insurance under the state of Florida. So I ask my clients from time to time, what kind of car insurance do you have? And 9 times out of 10, they will say, oh, Mr. Papa, I have full coverage. Well, what is full coverage under Florida law? Quite honestly, it's really not full coverage as you would expect it to be. Full coverage under Florida law means that each licensed driver must have at least $10,000 of personal injury protection insurance, or PIP as we call it, PIP, and a minimum of $10,000 in property damage insurance. So personal injury insurance, or no-fault insurance as we call it, is insurance that each licensed driver must purchase in the event of an accident that will pay their medical damages up to $10,000 regardless of fault. So even if you run the red light and cause the accident, your PIP will cover your first $10,000 of medical damages. Now, there's a caveat. PIP only pays 80% of your medical damages and 60% of your lost wages. Property damage is insurance that you're required to carry that protects you if you cause damage to somebody else's property in an automobile accident, such as if you cause the accident and hit the other person's car, the property damage policy covers that damage. Or if you hit your neighbor's mailbox or you crash into a traffic light pole, that would also cover. Now, that's technically full coverage under Florida law, but it doesn't fully protect you. There are other coverages under Florida law that are beneficial to you, such as bodily injury liability insurance. Bodily injury liability insurance, or BI, covers you if you cause an accident to somebody else and cause an injury, and their PIP is exhausted or is fully used, and there's no other benefits to pay for their medical treatment. Your bodily injury protects you in that matter, and it will pay for those damages that the other person suffers above their PIP. There's collision policy. Collision policy covers your vehicle if you're involved in a collision, whether it's your fault or another's, and if the other person does not have property damage insurance, you can make a claim against your own carrier to fix or replace your vehicle under the collision policy. Comprehensive is another good insurance to have. That covers your vehicle if there's an act of God, like a storm and a tree falls on the car, or if the vehicle is stolen or vandalized. Comprehensive would pay damages for those types of occurrences. Now, the big one that I like to talk about is uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, or UM. UM is a type of insurance that insurance companies don't want you to purchase, so they don't offer it too strongly to you. The reason being is that uninsured motorist protects you if you are the victim of an underinsured or uninsured driver that doesn't have bodily injury coverage. If they don't have bodily injury coverage, you don't have any insurance to proceed against to recover for your damages above your PIP. So for example, God forbid you're in a catastrophic accident causing a fractured limb or something, your PIP will go very fast. And you want to have uninsured motorist coverage in case that other driver is uninsured or underinsured without bodily injury. Now, even though full coverage is the $10,000 in PIP and the $10,000 in property damage, there are financial responsibility laws in Florida that require that if you don't have bodily injury, you can in fact have your license suspended for not having ample or adequate insurance to protect you against causing fault or injury to another. Again, if you have an injury matter that you'd like to discuss, please feel free to give us a call. The law office of Robert M. Geller to assist you with any injury you might have. Thank you.